black lentil ashford stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the lentil recipes and one of the most unique of the gourd recipes and one of the most nutritious of the ashford recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes and one of the most delicious of the soup recipes. Today we are going to make ashford black lentil stew. The ingredients are 100 grams of black lentil from which we have taken off the skin, around 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 1 tomato cut into pieces, around 20 to 25 shallots, 1 green chili, 2 sprigs of mint leaves, and around 100 grams of ashford peeled and cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in around 10 grams of ghee. Let it get heated. Put in the shallots. Salt, garlic, keep on sauteing. Until the shallots lose their pinkish color. Put in the finely chopped ginger, let it get heated. Salt, the ginger, keeping the salt. important mix. Now put in the garlic, salt the garlic, put in few mint leaves, salt, put in the green chili, salt thoroughly, keep on sauteing. Put in the black lentil, salt thoroughly in it. Thoroughly salt and mix. Now put in the hash brown pieces. Salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Put in salt to taste. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. one the pieces of 1 tomato and few mint leaves. Salt and mix. Thoroughly salt and mix. Now pour in 200 ml of water. Mix. And let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. Now the black lentil ashgourd stew is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black lentil ashgourd stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the lentil recipes and one of the most different of the gourd recipes and one of the most delicious of the gourd recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.